Hi guys, today's video, I'm gonna show you my jowa here. You can see him. And I'm gonna show you my new Asics shoes for the first time. I'm gonna use this for my race on my marathon day. Bakit? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last YouTube channel, but I know and I can feel that this is the best time to upload one because hindi kasi guys, sobrang gusto ko sa inyo i-announce na I joined a full marathon. I registered for a full marathon this coming June 19, 2022, and I'm so excited kasi it's gonna be my first ever full 42 kilometers race. And I'm starting to... Yes! Background music, wow! Yeah! And I started training last March. So, March, April, May, June. So, sana makaready ako. At, yeah, excited din ako kasi it's gonna be my first ever not virtual race since the pandemic happened. Yan yung mga event ko na nangyari.
Cheers!
Cheers! Uy, pakita ka naman sa vlog ko. Ito po yung kapatid ko. Siya po talaga yung original runner.
Look.
So, cheers! May dala po siyang ganito. Bakit kaya may dala siyang ganito? Yan, gusto ko lang i-share sa vlog ko na na sobrang saya ko dito sa training ko kahit mahirap.
Tayo sa atin, ito yung sa'yo.
Ay, sa akin to. Yan, kahit sobrang hirap niya, nag-enjoy ako kasi I joined nag-join ako sa running club sa my office sa new work ko, which is WHO. So we from running club, and I meet a lot of people, nice people from different country, different nationality.
Wow!
And wow! Yung sound effect, wala pong pa-sound effect. So yun, yeah, they're so nice to share their knowledge to me as a first time marathoner. So yeah, excited ako. And nag-enjoy talaga ako sa training. The training is not yet done. I have to run LSD for at least 32 tomorrow. And we have a lot of interval runs and easy runs this coming weeks before the race. So yeah, I think it's also a best time to upload and share the new running shoes I bought online because I think it's a good deal kasi yeah, I bought it with a huge discount. At saka nga pala, yung race, yung marathon na sasalihan ko is Rock and Roll Manila. So, ang sponsored ay Asics marathon siya. So, why not try the Asics shoes? I bought this online with 31% discount promo last 23 May. And na-receive ko rin siya yesterday, May 27. So, I think I'm gonna share to you na yung design na napili ko. Ito, I think, is the most ito na yung cheaper. Ito na yung, pero I think sabi ng mga friends ko na maganda daw tong basta Asics running shoes brand. Yeah, we're gonna unbox this new shoes! By the way, the registration fee for the marathon is like 2,800. So, ang gastos niya. Tapos these shoes, I bought this for 4,000, including the shipping fee na ang mahal-mahal, 400 yung shipping fee. Pero kung shoes lang kasi, it's like 3,500. But the original price, 5,000 pesos. So, I got it for 3,500 only, pero nag-additional charge pa sa
Anong size yan?
shipping fee. So, we're gonna unbox. Mamaya na. Ang gastos ng marathon, pero I think it's gonna be a big gift for myself before I turn 30, 42 before I turn 30. Yeah! So let's watch this. Let's review it. And I've searched a lot of this shoes. Let's watch this.
So this is it, guys. We're gonna open the new Asics Hyperspeed running shoes. So I got a nail cutter on it, got the box in the middle, and fast forward it. The box is really nice. Siguro kaya mahal yung shipping fee kasi super pulido ng pagkapak niya. And it also has a 2 box and a bubble wrap. I'm gonna cut again. This one, so yan. This is it, guys. I'm gonna open this na another box inside the box with a bubble wrap. I'm gonna cut it again in the middle. Just remove the other box. So we're gonna cut it in the bottom. Yan, fast forward again. Yan. Yay! So, yan na. May pa-surprise. Ganda ng box. So, ito yung size ko. That's the Hyperspeed Woman. French blue, white yung color niya. Ang size ko is 8.5. 8.5 din ako sa Nike. Kaya, ang in-order ko, 8.5. Ayan na. Wow. Brand new shoes. Slow motion yun. Actually, I just reviewed this shoes. It's good. It's lightweight. Maganda siya for speedrun training. Ang ganda din ng sole niya. And, madami din siyang soft yung inside niya. Maganda siya. Pinili ko talaga yung black kasi ayoko na ng white madumihin kasi. Yan. Maganda siya. Ito yung pwede siyang pang mall. Sobrang gaan niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung okay siya for long distance runs. I think hanggang 21 pwede siya. Yung fit ko kasi sanay siya dun sa React, which is yung high yung foam niya. Unlike this one, manipis lang. So pang speed talaga siya kung ano ka, kung wala masyadong support sa paa. Kaya siguro siya mura. Kasi wala siyang carbon plated. Unlike nung yung Meta Speed nung isang Asics. Pero okay na rin. Basta Asics. Baka pang mamul ko na lang siya. Or I will just buy another marathon pang long distance run. Yung mataas yung heels. So, ayan guys yung design. Ang cute, diba? Pwede na. Yay! Yes, that's it. Okay.
So that's it, guys. New marathon training race day shoes. Ang dami may race shoes. And this is my first ever Asics shoes. Thank you, Asics, for the promo, for the discount. Yes, it's a must. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to click the notification button. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Ben, nasan yung extension dun?
I don't know.
Tulungan
Ingay
mo si
nila.
nanay. Nasan si nanay?
Bye!